This is the Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look at a lot of people's favorite, natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, today we're going to take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, it's on the move here today, actually to the downside. So let's just look at the chart and see where in the hell she's going. All right, what do we got here so far? Well, what we have is your high is 1.72 and your low is 1.59. Now, how did it get to 1.59? So I want everybody here just to watch this area right here, okay? So what we want to do is you want to follow the candles. Okay, so what was the low on this? Okay, what do we have? 1.59. All right, then we go to the next candle. Look at your closing number. What do you have? 1.59. Then we'll come over to the next candle. The next level below is 1.57. Very, very key, okay? And then what we do is we'll look at this candle here, which is basically 1.522, okay? So again, if that 1.59 here is lost, then we'll come over to 1.57, and then we'll come down to your retest here at 1.52. Now, here on the upside, well, let's see, the real-time price right now on Natty is 1.60. So what we want to do is you want to follow this candle. So what do we have? 1.63, and then we have 1.66, which lines up very, very nicely here with your 8 SMA. Now you really need to close above this 8 SMA here. That is a key. If not, you're going to go to that 1.59, 1.57, and then your retest of 1.52. Now again, if that 1.52 is lost, you're going down on a monthly chart, you're going to go all the way down to 1.44. So always watch the highs, the lows, and the closing. That gives you nice support and resistance levels. All right, let's take a look here at some other charts here. All right, here we have a slew of charts. We got yourself the old tick chart. We have your 1, your 5, and your 15-minute chart. Now, if you want to take out the trade a little bit, you can use the 15-minute. Now, you can see how she's stair-stepping all the way on down here, all the way down to that retest of that 1.59, okay? So what we hit here is we hit 1.593, that's a low, and then we bounced up here a little bit here, and now we're sitting here at basically 1.60, okay? But we put in a higher low here. The key is, will that 1.59 hold? Now for me, I already scalped cold twice today, KOLD, that's a short, and I got 8 points. So I'm 8 points ahead. I didn't scalp any UNG. It just does not look any kind of a bullish. So basically what you want to do is here is when you look at this price channel, that 1.59, and then we can just come right over here to the left, okay? So you can follow the candles down to give you a little bit more precise, okay? So bottom line here, there's that 1.592, okay? Then you have your 1.57. Then you have 1.56. See, then you have what is that? That's still 1.56. And then you can follow this down 1.55, okay, 1.54, and you can take it all the way on down here until you get your big retest of 1.52. So you can tick it all the way on down here. You know, so I say if you're scalping, this is the way that you want to scalp the trade. So for me is when I see this run all the way up here, okay, to this level of 1.79, then basically you look at here, see, you have a double top in play, and that tells you that you got to get short down to that 200 SMA. Then it rallied up here. Now, I didn't buy no rally, but actually when this rallied up here again, you could not get that high. So what do you have? You got another short situation here because you have your high of 1.74 and then 5 and then 1.744. So that tells you it can't get through this to go up to retest that level. That tells you another short. So that's take the cold trade and take her all the way down. Now, I don't really chart the cold or the UNG, you know what I'm saying, or the boil, because these are leveraged funds. These are just trading vehicles. So basically you want to do is always chart the actual commodity. In this case, it's natural gas. That's what we're looking for. But today what we're looking for is you got to hold that 1.59. And next to the line is going to be that 1.57, and then you can come all the way down to the 1.52. All right, let's take a look here at an hourly and a 4-hour. Okay, here we have your hourly chart here. We set that low in at 1.52, one sideways, nice big bullish candle here, and then we had a bull flag. Ran on up here, but you can see where you had a high of 1.79. Here you had 1.78. See, double top, it can't get through. That tells you got to get short. And then you got to look at where's the support levels. Well, just look to the past, okay? Even like this bull flag here, it was holding that key 200 SMA. So if that double topped here, where's she going to come down? Watch that 200-day, and that was a good, nice tail where it held, put in a green candle, and then ran up nice, okay? But now you can see it just has no juice, and then when you put a lower high in, then she comes right on down, and then watch that 8 SMA. See, now that price is below that 8 SMA. That's never good, okay? So bottom line, you're just going to keep going lower here. Now, again, if you can get back above that 8 SMA at 1.62, then we can come up maybe to this 200-day, 1.65, and then 1.66 here. And that lines up very nice with the 8-day on the daily chart. Okay, so always put all those charts together. That way you get all your good information. But again, if this can't hold, then we can follow it all the way on down, until you get the retest here of 1.52. Let's just here look on a 4-hour chart here. Okay, I always point out that 8 SMA here. See how that is? Held it all the way down, okay? Holds the price rate down, the same way with the 21. Now that it broke up, but look what this 8-day did. It rolled right on over. Now where's that price, okay? Right below that 8-day. Not good. Not good at all, okay? So now we're looking for here is when you click on that price channel, you're looking for a 1.55. That's the level after 1.57 first and then 1.55. So you can just follow these candles all the way down. See right there at the bottom of that candle? That's that 1.57. And then if that's lost, all these candles here basically are that 1.55 level. And then again, if that's lost, then you come down to retest here at 1.52. You really need to get back above, if you're bullish, to get that 1.64 above that 50 SMA here, and then above this 8 SMA at 167, and then you have 169, then you have a nice big retest here above. But right now, this looks like it's just rolling right back over again. When I see that 8-day here, this is not good. That's why I scalped that cold KOLD. I scalped it twice, but a nice 8 points out of that, that's not bad at all. Okay, so I'm going to see how it's all going to shake out. But for right now, I'm flat. I have no position. That's the same way with the crude. Now, the crude oil was really good. It was a short, then it was a long, then it was a short again. So basically what you have to do is you have to trade what is in front of you, not what you actually want, okay? It's the same way with the TQQs today. Well, it was a really nice long, but when you look at the retest on the TQQs, I dumped it out there at 61. Now, I got it high at 61.22, but I dumped it out there. Now, I haven't touched it since. That's the same way with the NVIDIA. NVIDIA got that 8.23. I got 25 points on NVIDIA there today. But then again, see, this is Friday. I'm not going to push it because we don't know what Monday is going to bring. Now, remember, if Monday is an up day, Tuesday will be a down day. If Monday's a down day, then you can always get that turnaround Tuesday, where Tuesday will turn right around and then shoot right back up again. So always keep that in mind. But as far as natty gas here, watch this key 8 SMA. If we can't get it back above that and above that 1.66, this is basically going lower. So look for the next level there at 1.57, 1.55 here, like we have here on your price channel, and then your retest at 1.52. All right, that's what I got for you on the old natty gas here for midday trading. Now I'll have more today after pit close. We will review crude oil and natural gas, a little bit more detail. Thanks for watching.